Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can use an AI and a paper that you've read and get the AI to ask you questions about the paper to check that you've understood it. Perhaps you're reading the paper for an exam or you just need it for some other purpose. The AI can quiz you and help you find out what you don't understand. And also I think by going through a quiz it can help you remember the content a bit better. So let's open up an AI and take a look. So I've already uploaded a research paper and I've added the prompt here. So the prompt saying, here's a paper, quiz me on it, and ask me one question at a time, and then tell me about things that I don't understand about this paper. So let's see. Before we start, do we want multiple choice or true or false? Let's go for multiple choice. Okay, let's start. So according to the paper, which type of task was most effective for encouraging meaningful communication? I think this was an open opinion gap. So let's try B. Let's see if that was correct. Yes, it was. Okay, so in the study, why did tasks placed at the end of a lesson sequence lead to less meaningful communication? I think this was because students had less time, or the teachers had less time at the end. Let's see if that's right. Correct again. Okay, so which task design feature did the directions roleplay have that made it like a drill? I think this was lots of sentence stems. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So I won't go through the rest of this, but you get the idea. If you've read a paper, you want to check if you can remember what's in there. This is a nice prompt to try. Let's see, the favorite food. Which one was this? Yeah, it was C, I think, wasn't it?